Tonight, I'm going to tell you the story of Bibi Sakina.
The story of Hazrat Sakina. Her father's name is Imam Hussain a.s. Her mother is Rabab. Imam Hussain a.s. prayed to Allah to give him a daughter, and he named her Sakina. When Imam Hussain a.s. left Medina, Hazrat Sakina was also with him. After a very long journey, they arrived in Karbala. Access to water was blocked by the army of Yazid. Hazrat Sakina was very, very thirsty. Hazrat Sakina told all the children that her uncle Abbas will bring water for them. Hazrat Abbas a.s. said goodbye to Sakina and left to bring water, but he never came back. After the Shahadat of Hazrat Abbas a.s., Imam Hussain a.s. also got martyred. After the Shahadat of Imam Hussain a.s., the tents were set on fire. Hazrat Sakina was also arrested with other children and women. Her earrings were snatched and her dress also caught fire. She was kept in a very dark dungeon where she kept asking about her father, Imam Hussain a.s. Finally, one day, Yazid sent Imam Hussain a.s.'s head for Bibi Sakina. When she saw the head, she hugged it, and she never woke up again. Imam Zainul Abidin a.s. checked her and said, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Imam Zainul Abidin a.s. dug a small grave in the same dungeon and she was buried there.
So, this is the story of Bibi Sakina. Next time I'll tell you a new story.